right, now we have a power strip with USB ports. This one has 4 USBs, 6 outlets, and it's high quality. Nothing on the top, bottom. The back's the same picture. The side's just a sticker. Special thanks to the company for sending this one my way to make this unboxing for everyone. And here is the max output and power outputs, rated power, etc. So I haven't opened this, but it's kind of coming open a little bit, so go ahead and pull it out. Nothing else in there, nice. And there we go. All right, so it looks like about a 3 or 4 foot cable here on this power strip. Let's take a look in a moment. First, we have a little switch. Looks like a real switch. Very nice. But 6 outlets, and you can see these are kind of spaced. So like, you know, if you have power bricks, you'd be able to use those. And then 3 full-size USB-A ports over here and 1 USB-C port. So tons that you can plug into this thing. The EL06, and let's take a look at this cable, see how long the cable is. Oh yeah, about 3, maybe 4 feet. So that should do it for this power strip with USB ports unboxing. Special thanks to the company again for sending this one my way.